after the equipment is placed. Lifting system includes lifting trolley and hatch cover button. And our heating system. The heating system consists of a heating water tank and a heating rod. There is also a circulating water pump below. We also include a hydraulic station in the lifting system. Finally, deodorization. The deodorization system we use is UV light deodorization box. This is the UV photolysis box of the equipment. This will purify the exhaust gas. And what we see behind is the fermentation chamber of our equipment. This is the stirring motor of the equipment, and the motor above is the exhaust motor. It's used to remove exhaust gas.